Haria hothe ungikorwo ri thiini wa bururi wa Kenya ngakihukana uragithie na mbere na kwirorera Gikuyu TV ni twagiuka niguo tukorwo tugigutamburukiria mohoro ndakirora mwena uria ungi ndakirora thaa yakwa ngona ithaa nario rihandite oro wega ritwa riakwa ni Muiruri John Mo
na ni Geto wa Njiro wa Moranga kunyita ugeni oro ringi muthenya uyu wa tariki 21 naguo mweri wa keri mwaka wa 2019 ngehokati no watindia thayu na ithuĩ ntayuka nigetha tukumenyithie mohoro toria matinda makihanika guku bururi-ini.
No mbere ndaya andu atano gukua thutha wa kuhithukirwo ni aici a mahio thiini wa kaunti ya Baringo.
Minister wa ugendi Najib Balala gwetetera mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ĩgiĩ ugendi.
Arugamiriri a kiama kia aruti wira guku bururi-ini Kotu ni morite thirikari kuigua mateta ma manathi na kumariha kiria marakorwo makienda.
Na honge cia watho guku bururi-ini kuga ni irabatara kuongererwo kigina kia bilioni 7.4 nigetha gukorwo gikiruta wira uria kwagirire.
Oho ni tugukorwo tukinyitanira na mundu gwetwo Ken Maina niguo akorwo agitumenyithia maingi megie mathako koguo ndukae guthie kuraya.
Mohoro ma Gikuyu TV ukireherwo ni Dhahabu Land Limited. Dhahabu Land Limited, your reliable investment partner.
Rere na ikereka ria mbere mutauru witu na njira ya ciko oikeneta Susan Kibeto kiambiria ni ati andu matanyihire atano ni makwite thutha wa kuhithukirwo ni aici a mahio utuku wa gukia umuthi thiini wa itura ria Kapidasum Alabal thiini wa kaunti ya Baringo.
Kuringana na riboti ni ati andu aya ni mahotire gwithara na ruru rwa ng'ombe kuria riu muingi wa mwena uyu ukaire thirikari ikorwo ikigacirithia ugitiri mwena ucio nigetha kumateithiriria guthara mioyo uhoro uyu makiria uri na wahu wa Kamau.
Wici wa mahiu kaunti-ini ya Baringo ukoretwo gitafanio mahinda kwa mahinda kuria gwa kahinda ga ciumia 2 thiru makiria ma ng'ombe 50 cieriga kuhithukio ni maabitha a ugitiri. Kiroko kia umuthi aikari itura ria Alabal kaunti-ini ya Baringo marokire gutungwo ni kieha na wagagu thutha wa ekinae a wici wa mahiu gutharikira itura riu na gucungiriria ikuo cia maabitha ana. Kuringana na borithi mwena ucio maugite ekinae acio mahotire gwithara na ruru rwa ng'ombe kuria maugite ni marikitie gutwara maabitha a ugitiri itura-ini riu niguo gutigirira ng'ombe iria ciitwo ni ciacokerio ene na oho gukorwo making'ethanira na aria matabanirie tharike iyo. Wici wa mahiu kaunti-ini ino ukoretwo ugithie na mbere ona thengia wa thirikari kuingirira niguo kunina cieko ici undu uria ukoretwo ugitiga family nyingi gutigwo itari na wikaro. Handu-ini ha Gikuyu TV ritwa riakwa ni Wahu wa Kamau.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati minister wa ugendi guku bururi-ini Najib Balala ni ateteire ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ĩgiĩ ugendi iguru rigie we gukorwo agikuruhanio na ngukumio ya kigina kia ciringi milioni 100 kuria augite ino ni bara ya kiuteti kura ni abangite gukana rwira giturwa kia ugavana thiini wa kaunti ya Mombatha. Balala augite gutire kandarathi ministry ino ya koru ikiheana ya muigana wa kigina giki indi undu uria yerekeire ni kuhurana jeki na kabuni ya ugendi ya USA na iria itigagirira ati bururi wa Kenya no amukira ugendi na njira iria yagirire.
Oro hindi yo nayo ndereti ĩgiĩ ruhonge rwa kurugamira iharo cia ndege guku bururi-ini gukorwo rukiniana utongoria wa kiharo kia ndege kia JKIA kuri Kenya Airways no ithiete na mbere gwakiriria bunge-ini ya guku bururi-ini kuria murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru rwa iharo cia ndege augite ati gicunje kia 10% kia mitaratara iria yagirirwo gukorwo ikirumirirwo niguo kiharo giki gikorwo gikinianwo nirikitie gukorwo igikinyanirio.
I mean, if we want to fight corruption, I think we can fight it. But when we politicize corruption, then there's where the challenge is. Investigation on Asta has been there for the last 6 months. So officers in the ministry have written statements, PSs has written statements, but it's not politicized. It is when Balalak appears, it becomes politicized. It's a big catch. I can tell you, Chair and members of the committee, that ASTA is an association, American Society of Travel Agents. It's one of the top travel agents associations in America. And here in Kenya, we have a Kenya chapter.
With the kind of behavior that you're portraying to this committee. Honestly, he's been wasting our time. This is not the first time. Every time you appear before this committee, you feign ignorance. You seem not to understand what is happening. We ask you questions, you dodge them. You have a way just to get away with it. Then you buy time, you waste our time. You want us to have another sitting now for you to go and look for letters that you did. This was, you took your time just to make sure that there's not a single correspondence that was attached to this document. It cannot just be a mistake. It cannot just be that your correspondences were not available. Therefore, Chairman, I want you to rule this witness as a hostile witness.
Was what was given to me on the 5th of October. And at the same time, we received the PEIP. And that is basically the document that we needed to dissect, to be able to understand what does it mean for Kenya Airports Authority and what does it mean for Kenya if we do this. And it's a serious matter. I've never been involved in anything so big like this one before.
That no further transaction should go on with this until final determination of this matter.
Akenya maya gufatara kurika mihuko yao makiria angikorwo riandikithia riria ritwaritwo ni ruhonge rwa watho guku bururi-ini ria kwenda kuongererwo kigina kia bilioni 7.4 budget-ini yukite ni rigukorwo rigikinyanirio
kuringana na ruhonge ruru ruria rugwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi kihoto ni ati ni rurabatara kuongererwo kigina niguo kuruta wira uria kwagiriire na njira iria yagiriire.
Hamwe na honge ithano cia githirikari iria cigwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie kigina guku bururi-ini ni hamwe na wabici ya murugamiriri wa watho kana munene wa watho.
OLPP performance during the first half year 2018, we have done quite a number of activities. Some of it are most significant. There are many, but the most standing out is political parties regulations, especially regulations on registration and regulations of political parties. Then we have regulations on political parties funding, which has not been there for quite some time. So we did the dialogue and the consultation forums, including presenting the regulation to the delegated registration committee, and were passed. We are waiting for the final stages so that we can we can publish the regulation.
Tugethie na mbere ni ati afitha a borithi kuma gicigo-ini kia bunge kia Bureti ni maikitie ngono mwikuiro mwe wa ukuru wa miaka 30 agikuruhanio na ngero iria iratabanirio mwena wa Litein thiini wa county ya Kericho kuria mutumia mwe wa ukuru wa miaka 73 aroragirwo nacio ciana ciake ithatu cia airaitu irakorwo ikinyitwo kia hinya goko muthuri wake niwe Richard Chepkoni arakorwo akigurario uru kiongo muthi wa ira
agikira uhoro uyu mukonde police commandant wa county ya Kericho niwe James Mugera na ugete ati aya mwikoro uyu arikitie gwikio ngono thutha wake gukorwo akikurikana ni airitu aria arakorirwo akihahama kimwiri.
Kwa kufuatia ile habari ambayo tumepatiwa na wananchi na watu wengine, kufikia sasa tumeweza kushika mshukiwa mmoja ambaye amekuwa positively identified na tunaendelea na uchunguzi wetu, na ningependa kusema kwamba it's just a matter of time ndio tuweze kupata wale washukiwa wengine. Otherwise kwa sasa tunaendelea vizuri, na ningependa kusema kwamba wananchi watulie, watupatie muda, tuendelee na uchunguzi wetu na tutaweza kufikia kina cha tukio hilo. Asante.
Nema Wajiro wa Mwaura iyo riboti irari yake hamuno makiria na ni wega uthuthuria uthie na mbere na gwikwo niguo aria othe marakorwo magitabania ngero ino nema ni ngero makoma gikio ngono
niguo na nigikurigiria undu toyu gukana hanika
niguo ni uhoro wa ma tugithie na mbere ni ati niguo gutigira ati ni kwagia na thayo muhaka-ini wa Pokot na Turkana Beojethi kuma mwena wa Pokot ya ithwiro ni moritio mahuthire mitambo ya ukinyaniria hari gutambia thayo gatagati ka nduriri iria irwaga mwena ucio.
Ritana riri reiketio ni governor wa county kana ni governor wa mwena ucio niwe John Lonyangapuo kuria erite Beojethi mwena ucio matigetikire gukorwo makihuthirwo ni ateti kuona ati riri ti ihinda ria gukorwo makihuthika uru rohindi ona moritio makorwo makihuthira githomo kiao hari kurehe uthii wa nambere thiini wa mwena wa West Pokot.
Reason ya kutumiwa na wanasiasa ilikwisha, especially za ile mimi sasa Professor Lonyangapuo ni gavana wenu. Tabia ya kuona mtoto ameandika English yake ya ajabu na kujifanya anajua kuandika vitu mingi kwa social media na ako anasoma in my footsteps, na siku anatoa tabia mbaya kama hiyo. Na mwenye anakuambia uandike alikuwa class 7 lakini yeye ni mwanasiasa. Mwingine akakwama form 4 lakini yeye ni mwanasiasa. Mwingine alianguka university alikuwa na alafu anakutumia na pesa yake.
Nema leo niletana rega kuma kuri gavana uyu John Lonyangapu na letana leo nema leo jithi
twihoka nime uko makiyukia tondu unakora atwika undu uyu ukite kurumirira uhoro kana report ikoretwo igicabithio thiini wa ng'enda cia kiriu na nire kwirwo ni ikoretwo igicungiriria bara mwena ucio.
Nema ni gukoretwo kuri na bara nene thiini wa mihaka ino ile ikoretwo mwena uyu na nema agikorwo mbeu njithi no makorwo magifuatira maundu macio thayo no ukorwo ugicokereria mwena uyu.
Niguona kwa ihinda riri mwiroreri tukwamba gwikiria oro hanini no ririkane ati ungenda gukorwo gitumenyithia undu oro wothe wigie gikunjo gitu kia mohoro no twandikire ndumiriri nguhi kuhitukira 0721890311 thini wa ng'enda cia kiriu Facebook ni Gikuyu Television na thini wa Twitter ni TV_Gikuyu.